Hello, everyone, and welcome to our training session on the Lean Kata process. Lean Kata is a powerful methodology designed to instill continuous improvement and scientific thinking in your organization. This approach focuses on creating a culture where improvement is part of the daily routine. Lean Kata consists of two main components, improvement kata and coaching kata. Over the next steps, we will dive deeper into each of these components. The improvement kata is a structured routine consisting of 4 steps. First, we understand the direction, ensuring everyone knows the long-term vision. Next, we grasp the current condition to understand where we are starting from. Then, we establish the next target condition, setting short-term goals. Finally, we use the PDCA cycle to experiment towards that target condition. The first step in improvement kata is to understand the direction. This involves clearly defining the long-term vision and goals of your organization. It's essential that everyone understands what success looks like and the direction we are heading. Step 2 of improvement kata is to grasp the current condition. This step involves a thorough analysis of the current processes to identify strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities for improvement. The goal is to establish a clear understanding of the starting point before setting goals and making changes. The third step is to establish the next target condition. This involves setting a short-term goal that is both challenging and achievable. This target helps us move step by step towards our long-term vision. The fourth step is the PDCA cycle, which stands for Plan, Do, Check, Act. In this step, we plan an experiment, conduct it, check the results, and then act based on what we learned. This iterative process helps us move closer to our target condition. The coaching kata is the process by which leaders and managers teach the improvement kata to their teams. It involves a coach guiding the learner through each step of the improvement kata, ensuring they develop the skills and mindset needed for continuous improvement. The coach plays a crucial role in coaching kata. Their job is to guide, support, and challenge the learner. By asking the right questions, the coach helps the learner think critically and develop effective problem-solving skills. Daily practice routines are essential for embedding the kata mindset within your organization. Regular practice helps reinforce what we've learned and ensures that continuous improvement becomes a daily habit. Measuring success in Lean Kata involves evaluating our progress towards target conditions and the development of a continuous improvement culture. Key metrics include how often we achieve our target conditions and the frequency of our PDCA cycles. Praxis provides simple yet powerful tools for managing lean process improvement katas and more. Contact your representative to learn more. Congratulations on completing the Lean Kata training program. So, now that you're ready, complete your assessment today.